Hey everyone, today I'm making stuffed chicken breast, and this is a very simple, easy method. And I have two chicken breasts, and I'm putting them inside a freezer baggie that I'm going to pound out the chicken breast as flat as I can get those. And there's no mess when you keep it inside the baggie and pound that out. And no, I'm not going to go to Walmart and pay 15 bucks for a meat mallet when I have a perfectly good hammer. And this hammer never touches the chicken. And then I take the chicken breast out of the baggie and cut those in half and flatten them a little bit more. Now I have a box of chicken flavored stovetop stuffing, and I'm just cooking that according to the directions, and I'll be putting that on each piece of the chicken, which is now 4 pieces. So after cooking the stovetop stuffing, I'm just spooning that onto the chicken now, and then I will, after I fill that as full as I would like it, I'll go ahead and roll each piece up, and I'll secure that with toothpicks so that it holds together well while it's in the oven. After I get those rolled up and secured with toothpicks, I'll place them in a baking dish that I have added some oil to first. And then I'll go ahead and put some oil over the top of these chicken breasts as well. Adding some salt and pepper, and then I'll place these in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. After you bake this for 20 minutes, take it out of the oven and remove the toothpicks, and then fill the dish with the remaining stuffing that you had left over. Cover this with aluminum foil and try to seal it as well as possible so that it doesn't dry out, because you're going to put this back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. While the chicken's finishing up, I'm going to go ahead and saute some baby carrots. And I have some bell peppers that I needed to use up, so I added those as well. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up now. So thank you very much for stopping by, and if you try this recipe, I hope you enjoy. Like I said, it's extremely easy and simple. I'll see you next time.